Hello there, my name's Patrick and I work as a fabricator for M. Clark & Sons. Well, manufacturing is one of those jobs where you actually get some really tangible outputs, so you get to see your work. Manufacturing has a lot of camaraderie. Well, the Manufacturing Academy was fundamental in me getting placed here and introducing me to the whole industry. Well, the Academy taught me about the industry, it taught me about what goes on in it. It introduced me to the different processes, the different companies around about. It has the links to the employers. It has the tutors who can teach you how to do the stuff the employers do. And it was pretty fundamental in getting me where I am. It was good from the very start because I met with a lot of new people. I soon got to know that the people who were teaching me were experts at what they'd done. The Manufacturing Academy has got the sort of unique blend of links to the companies, experts who can teach you how to do the stuff that are done in those companies, and it ties it all together really well. So yes, I would definitely recommend the Academy. Manufacturing is a good industry to be in. There are jobs available in it, and the route in, the best route in that I know of is through the Academy. It ties everything together where you can get introduced to the employers in your area and taught by the experts who know how to do the jobs that those employers are looking for.